back at it again, folks, with this beautiful landscape transformation where we've been able to give this customer way more quality and quantity than that of what could have ever been expected. As you can see, I got this beautiful custom dry creek bed to catch all the water that was coming from the neighbor's yard. It's now going to be appropriated into this 20-inch drain box. In addition, we got some of the best grass your money can buy. That's the beautiful Xeon Zorge sod. And then I also hardscape this area out by being able to bring in our 1 to 2 inch decorative gravel. By doing so, it allowed for us to be able to give this customer an additional outdoor sitting area. That's right, they're going to be able to utilize this space whether it's raining, sleeting, or snowing. They've now added an additional 10 by 10 area to the landscape, and it gave them so much more than that of what they originally had. Now, we had to deal with a tremendous amount of water that was coming in on this landscape, and so I went with the dry creek bed throughout this entire property, and it truly did enhance this customer's landscape. But what it really did is gave them an opportunity to have a solution that's going to last a lifetime, brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. Beautiful body.